It is my pleasure to give a brief technical presentation on Mobilio today. Since its foundation, Honda has followed the principle of making things with a primary focus on the needs of people. We have been developing motorcycles, automobiles, power products and a wide range of mobility technologies including Asimo and Honda Jet with a strong passion to enable our customers all around the world to enjoy the freedom and fun of mobility. Moreover, in order to quickly accommodate customer needs which vary from region to region, Honda has long been proactive in localizing our production and development activities. With a passion to deliver automobiles which accommodate the ever-changing attitudes and needs of automobile users in the booming Indian market, we thoroughly studied the values our customers expect for automobiles and developed an entry model which is suitable for the new era to come. First, we studied what our Indian customers are expecting. We learned that our customers want a spacious cabin, comfort for family use, fuel economy, and also stylish exterior. We determined the following body dimensions through various research including road conditions, weather conditions, and visibility of automobiles in India. We wanted to make a body size unique to MPVs, so the height must be more than 1600 mm. We determined that the vehicle length should be less than 4.4 meter based on our research of the size of parking spaces attached to typical homes and shopping malls. We realized a turning radius of 5.2 meter based on our consideration for ease of use in the cities. Finally, the ground clearance was set at 189 mm considering Indian road conditions. Based on such findings, we developed a stylish MPV that provides our customers with assurance and comfort. It is Mobilio. The name Mobilio was coined from the English words mobility and mobile. The grand concept for this vehicle was progressive private jetliner. There were three core elements: show off, which represents the styling; comfort, which represents ease of use; and assurance, which represents excellent fuel economy and commitment to the Honda brand. First, let me explain the element of show off. The exterior design concept for this vehicle was dual solid motion. We created the fusion of a dynamic body and glassy cabin. Moreover, sportiness is expressed by the sharp spoiler and character line on the side. This is the final exterior sketch. This is 10-spoke alloy wheel design. Concept is tough and sporty. We imagined dynamic wing and strong spoke in order to come up with this design. The interior concept is prime comfort. Prime comfort is ensured by wide seats, spacious legroom, and a large trunk space. For the utility-seeking customer, we have provided one class above versatility in Mobilio. The second row has a 60-40 split bench seat with armrest. It has a slide option so that the customer can adjust the space as per his requirement. It also has a recline adjustment for complete comfort as per customer need. Coming on to the third row flexibility. Third row has 50-50 split bench seat along with recline adjustment. It can be tumble folded so that there is generous luggage space for the customer. The interiors have been made keeping three things in focus: comfort, convenience, and capacity. The door pockets have ample space to hold bottle holders and other utility items. Long armrests have been provided for comfort position. Sufficient capacity is there to accommodate different luggage items including two small size suitcases. This is the final interior sketch. And this is the actual picture of Honda Mobilio. Now I would like to explain about the exclusive RS grade in Mobilio. Especially for RS grade, the exterior design is bolder than base grade. New front and rear bumper and side sill has been applied for sporty image. Also, we have applied projector headlamps and LED position lamps for sporty and strong image. Moreover, the design of wheels with aggressiveness are exclusive for RS grade. Here is computer graphic images of Mobilio RS. Next, let me explain the second element, comfort. Mobilio wheelbase was extended by 247 mm in comparison with Amaze. As a result, we could expand the size of its door for more comfortable getting in and getting out of the car for passengers of second and third row. For Mobilio, by applying flat-shaped fuel tank, we have secured spacious cabin with generous comfort for passengers at the second row and also sufficient space for an adult in the third row. For both the second and third row seats, we secured more space than competing models for head clearance, for knee clearance, and also for leg room. For easy access to the third row, one-touch tumble seats were adopted for the second row. In addition, for both the second and third row seats, various features were adopted to increase the comfort. Next, let me explain the last element, assurance. Mobilio has 1.5-liter petrol engine for sporty and powerful driving with many passengers in the car and bigger size of body as compared to Amaze. The 1.5-liter petrol engine delivers a maximum output of 119 PS at 6,600 RPM and a torque of 145 Nm at 4,600 RPM. Mobilio has best-in-class fuel economy of 17.3 km per liter in petrol configuration. For the 5-speed manual type, we improved sporty feeling by optimizing the gear ratio. The diesel engine in Honda Mobilio is 1.5-liter ID.Tech diesel engine. It delivers a maximum output of 100 PS at 3,600 RPM and a flat torque of 200 Nm at 1,750 RPM. Mobilio has best-in-class fuel economy of 24.2 km per liter in diesel configuration. For the 5-speed manual transmission for diesel engine, we optimized 2% low gear ratio modification in the unit compared to Amaze for sporty driving. The chart shows the positioning of Mobilio's dynamic performance. Mobilio provides a comfortable drive with excellence in fuel economy, driving performance, handling and quietness. Our aim was to enable the driver to drive with peace of mind and without any stress. This includes situations like driving on narrow roads, heavy traffic conditions or on highways at high speed. We have offered nimble riding quality which provides comfortable drive in various road conditions. We also strived to improve noise and vibration performance by increasing the rigidity of the center pillar, rear cabin and tailgate. Moreover, we optimized interior materials to realize comfort during idling in some situations such as being stuck in a traffic jam. Finally, let me introduce the safety performance of the vehicle. As you can see, we have realized excellent level of safety performance by the car, even for the third row occupant. This concludes the technical aspects of Mobilio. Now I will share India development story and marketing concept. In Honda, we have always kept customer at the advent of everything. This is Mobilio customer image. He is a family man with a family size of 5 to 7 members, takes utmost care of his family, family is priority, and is a rational thinker who takes calculated risks in life. From the surveys, we found that Mobilio target customer will come from full-size MPVs, compact MPVs, and also upper C segment customers who have extended family. Globally, Honda has a strong legacy in the MPV segment with over 20 years experience in selling a range of MPVs. Currently, we sell the Odyssey, Stepwagon, Freed and Elysion in various parts of the world. And we have a strong base of 5.5 million families driving Honda MPVs globally. Now let me explain Honda's man maximum, machine minimum philosophy. Honda's core strength is packaging. We strongly believe in providing maximum space for you and your loved ones and minimum space for the machine. Based on survey findings, Honda's global MPV legacy and our man maximum, machine minimum philosophy, we developed a stylish MPV that provides our customers with assurance and comfort. It is Honda Mobilio. The mid-size stylish MPV. The Honda Mobilio comes with a host of new features like first in segment projector headlamps with LED position lamps, first in segment power retractable ORVM with turn indicators, and other exterior features like chrome front grille, 10-spoke alloy wheels, stylish tail lamps, rear wiper and washer, etc. Moving on to the interior of Honda Mobilio. Interior features are one-touch second row seat tumble function, flexi third row, rear AC vents, second row slide and recline, and third row recline function. Also, it has ample storage space in all three rows. Mobilio comes in 7 exciting exterior colors, including new and exclusive Brilliant Gold Metallic. This is Mobilio's launch and promotion color. Other exterior colors are Alabaster Silver Metallic, Carnelian Red Pearl, Majestic Blue Metallic, Taffeta White, Urban Titanium Metallic, and exclusively for sporty grade RS we have Crystal Black Pearl. The Honda Mobilio will have 4 grades for the diesel engine, while the petrol engine will come with 3 grades. The entry grade for Mobilio will be E grade, equipped with chrome front grille, ABS with EBD, second and third row recline. Next, we have the S grade with integrated 2-DIN audio and steering audio controls, rear AC vents and driver seat height adjuster. Then we have the V grade with driver and passenger SRS airbags, 10-spoke alloy wheels, second row sliding, rear wiper and washer, etc. Finally, in diesel we have the sporty RS grade, which comes with first in segment projector headlamps with LED position lamps, first in segment retractable ORVMs with turn lights, sporty front and rear bumpers, stylish alloy wheels, and much more. The Honda Mobilio comes with wide range of 30 accessories. Honda cars are easy on your pocket as well, and that's not just in terms of the mileage. As you can see here, Honda Mobilio's cost of maintenance is lowest in its segment, both in petrol and diesel. Moving on to the communication strategy, our aim is to position Honda Mobilio as the most spacious and stylish 7-seater MPV in the country. The marketing challenge was to launch Honda Mobilio as the most stylish 7-seater MPV in India. As shared earlier, we undertook an extensive research and found out that the core need of this segment's customer is spacious 7-seater car. The marketing task was made keeping in mind the rational needs like space, mileage, and emotional needs like style and status. In order to achieve our goal, we have followed a step-wise communication plan to reach out to our potential customers. The phases are India unveiling, build-up, pre-launch, and launch. I shall be sharing with you the marketing activities that we initiated at each stage to increase the Mobilio awareness and to engage the Mobilio prospect. First, let me explain phase 1, India unveiling. Our first level of engagement started in February 2014. When Ito-san, President and CEO Honda Motors, unveiled Honda Mobilio at the 2014 Delhi Auto Expo. This helped us to create awareness for the Mobilio and gave us an opportunity to showcase the stunning exterior styling and the space that Mobilio offers. Now I will explain phase 2, build-up. Our objective was to make the Mobilio brand familiar to the customer. This was done through the preview website and one-to-one communication and emailers. And now I'll explain phase 3, pre-launch. In Honda Mobilio pre-launch phase, a lot of new initiatives were undertaken to reach out and establish its one class above positioning. Pre-launch campaign on Honda's man maximum and machine minimum philosophy, which emphasizes that Mobilio offers maximum space for passengers and minimum space for machinery. Now let's take a look at the Honda Mobilio pre-launch man maximum machine minimum TV commercial. I want you to note that this is actually the true and real 7-seater of India as the masthead says. The print ad was released in 12 languages to reach out to more people and to generate empathy for the brand. With 60% customers doing a web search before car purchase, digital and social media is the new mantra for the successful buzz creation. Keeping this in mind, we kept digital medium at the core of pre-launch campaign. Kapil Sharma, India's most popular family entertainer, was roped in to create series of web episodes. We further complemented the buzz created by these web episodes with intervention on Facebook and Twitter. This resulted in huge traffic flow to our pre-launch website, where we have already clocked in more than 5.6 lakh visitors till date. Kapil Sharma web episodes received overwhelming response. It was amongst the top most viewed video on YouTube and trended at number 2 position. For the first ever time, an automobile video reached the record of 2.88 million views in less than a month's time. Now let us take a look at one of Kapil's Honda Mobilio web episodes.